building yet another AI app. Your last app was perfect. You just didn't market it properly. Now, how do I know your last app was perfect? I've never seen it before, because I'm exactly like you. I built 26 vibe coded apps and I didn't even market one of them. For some weird reason, I thought that if I just post about it here and there on my channels, people would just instantly gravitate towards it. But it's not true, guys. If you've built more than one vibe coded app and you know one of those apps are amazing, your real issue is that you're not marketing it to your correct target audience. And if you don't understand this concept, first of all, follow me and like this video so that you get more content related to marketing and finding the exact target audience. That's step one, is follow me. Step two is to actually go and find your target audience. Because if you keep building and building and building and building and buying and Claude Max subscription to make sure you can build more, and to be honest with you, if you have a Claude Max subscription, that means you're building too much. You should be building with just a Pro subscription. And if you have a Pro subscription, it means you're building one app properly instead of 10 apps at the same time. And if any of you watching this are building more than one app, you should be aware all of the apps you build will flop. You need to build one app properly. And when I say properly, you could literally iterate on it every day. And even if you think your app is perfect, there are probably 100 extra upgrades you could do if you focus just on one app. And something magical happens when you focus on one app. People start wanting it, because when you iterate that many times, your app gets so perfect that people want it. But, and there's a big but, excuse my French, the way to get your app noticed is by sharing it into groups on Facebook that can then see your app. Now, the groups that are on Facebook and on TikTok or wherever you're going to share it, they have to be people that are interested or need this kind of app. Let me give you an example. If you make an app for Excel that basically allows the user, for example, to look at his Excel spreadsheet and basically take care of anything that needs to be done on the Excel spreadsheet. Let's say that's your app. You need to go to accountants groups on Facebook, join them and create a video about your app, show how it works, explain why it's perfect for accountants, and then you need to share your post to all of those groups. And that's going to be your way of getting people to try and use your app. Of course, make it completely free to use, and then after a couple of days you say, listen, you've tried it, it works, now you can pay for it if you want to carry using it. That's the normal way of marketing your software. Now, the way I do this, I actually do this for my apps now. I use a Chrome extension called MGSA Pro. I built it. Let me be upfront about that. I built this Chrome extension and I use it now to share my post to all of the groups which are relevant for that specific software. So I use the Chrome extension, and you can use it too. Just ask for the link and I'll send it to you. It will basically share your post into all of the groups in one click, so you don't have to go sharing one at a time. I know it's overwhelming to have to share a post into many groups, and this is the way that you can get your software known by the correct target audience. And you have to be very thought out when you're looking for your target audience. You have to be very thought out. Who are the people who really need this? And when you really hit home, people will start using your software, and you won't need to build yet another AI software. So my advice to you is to